Hello students, have you completed your graduation? Worried about career? Thinking to take the steps for your career? And are you unable to take any decision? And this video will provide you and guide you, give you information what to do after the graduation. We all know that life after the graduation gives you two options. One, you can go for further studies or higher education, or you have to choose the right job. So, dear students, the right decision after the graduation will change your life. So, many students may not think much about their post graduation, but it is very important in your life. So, shall we do what is the life after the post graduation and what are the career options or the courses after the graduation? Let us look at the video. Now, so if you look at in this image, so you have so many options like computer science, management, mathematics, law, medical, engineering, business, architectology, arts and biology, music, chemistry, economics, literature, physics, so many. What to do, what to opt? It is a very difficult thing at this moment. No problem. This video will give you a complete picture and an idea what to choose for your career. Now, dear students, if you go to this picture, so this picture tells about the job search, because after the graduation, I said you have only two options. One is either going for the job or going for the studies. So what kind of job you want to or you are looking for it? Okay, next if you go to the next slide, this slide will help you to many things. So what are the options we have after the graduation or with the post graduation? Look at these options. One is MA, Master of Arts, MSc, Master of Science, MCom, Master of Commerce, Law, LLB, LLM, and teaching. So many of you are interested to settle your life in teaching. And MBA, many of you are want to become entrepreneur, business magnates. So this is good opportunity. Now, and other things, what are the other courses we have? Finally, engineering. So dear students, so these are the options you have: MA, MSc, MCom, law, teaching, MBA, engineering, and so many other courses. We'll look at each one in detail. Now first we'll go to the Master of Arts. Now Master of Arts, that is MA. So in MA, what are the courses we have? So here I really provide you more than 15, so you can choose it. MA Telugu, MA English, MA Hindi, so MA Economics. Dear students, MA Telugu, MA English and MA Hindi and other languages, Indian languages also you can study here. So MA Telugu Literature, English Literature, you know that. Of recently government has established so many government schools like Gurukula schools. So in the future you can expect many posts in Telugu. So you know the importance of English literature and English language. So for English, the opportunities will never end. So you can also go with English. So Hindi, of recent the central government in the national policy in education has brought many changes and giving a lot of priority to Hindi, right? So this is about the languages. You can also go for the MA Sanskrit and some other languages. Now if you look at the MA Economics, so this is also a good course. Now next one, MA Education. So this is an alternate for B.Ed and M.Ed. Now MA Journalism. You all know that importance of the journalism, mass communication and journalism, how it is ruling today's market or today's world, right? So journalism has a lot of power, so you can also go with it. Next one, MA History. So after Telangana state formation, so history has been given a lot of importance. And dear students, history plays a vital role those who prepare for the civils groups, right, for competitive exams. Now, MA Linguistics, this is also a good course to study different languages. And what are the other courses you have along with this? So you can also have courses like B.Ed, MBA, LLB, and a PhD. So dear students, for arts, students from any stream like BA, BCom, BSc, from any stream, either science or arts stream, they can come here. But one thing is, they must have studied one of these subjects in their graduation. So this is about the Master of Arts. So finally you can go with a PhD. Now if you look at the in science stream, what are the courses we have? So Master of Science, MSc, this is for people or students from the science stream or the BSc stream. So you can look at here the courses which are available after in the stream of science. So MSc Mathematics, MSc Chemistry, so MSc Botany, and MSc Zoology, MSc Physics, MSc Home Sciences, and MSc Anthropology, MSc Psychology, MSc Biochemistry. Dear students, here you should have to wait and think. We have MSc Psychology and MS Psychology. So different universities are offering these courses. So now, so MSc Biotechnology also we have. Now, so I have mentioned here some of the courses. Apart from this, you have plenty of other courses. You can go with this. I think, if you go through if you have chosen mathematics for your career, so you can study the career with the mathematics. That will give you should do the research. So how the mathematics is going to build your career. So you choose any topic, but you have to do a little research so that gives you scope what to do and how to choose the subject. So dear students, what are the other options we have in this stream? So B.Ed also you can do, and MBA also you can go for. So LLB also you can do. You are eligible for all these things. Finally a PhD. So if any stream, if you have taken mathematics, finally you can go with the PhD. So these are the available courses in the stream of science. So you have so many other courses also, you can go through them. Next we can go through the commerce stream, that is Master of Commerce, MCom. This is for BCom students. If you want to study related to the commerce, you should have studied commerce in your graduation. The available courses in commerce are MCom, MCom E-commerce, MCom Computers, MCom Financial Accounts, MCom Banking and Insurance, ITMA, CA, CS Company Secretary. So ITMA, CA and Company Secretary, these are all professional courses. So here you can also have like people, those who come from the BCom background, they can also do a PhD. So they can also do B.Ed and other degrees also. So these are some available courses. So you can also go through many other courses, right, in each one. So we know the importance of the e-commerce like Amazon, Flipkart, Myntra, many other apps. They have been building and spreading e-commerce in the 21st century. So dear students, you can think, and many companies look for the good accountants who are the good experts in financial accounts. So we know that importance of the insurance in the present market scenario. So that also you can think. So if you go to the next, you can look at the other things like teaching. Many of you are interested and want to settle in teaching. So what are the courses we have in teaching? We know that the familiar thing is B.Ed. So doing B.Ed, you can do B.Ed in our state, Telangana. Recently, English and Foreign Languages University, they have given a notification for B.Ed. So you can also apply central universities like some other Pondicherry University. Okay, so you can also go to RIS, Regional Institute of Education. So there also B.Ed course is available. Even some of the central universities also offering B.Ed course. So with the B.Ed course you can settle in teaching. After B.Ed what you can do? So you can go for M.Ed. So after the M.Ed, so you have to do PhD. Then what's the difference between B.Ed and M.Ed? So B.Ed is a bachelor degree. Again with B.Ed you can go to you can work in the school level. Even some extent you can also work in junior colleges also. With M.Ed you can be a teacher educator. You can go to DIET and B.Ed colleges as a teacher educator. So if you go to the B.Ped, so this is about the physical education, and with B.Ped also you can work in up to schools as a physical teacher. So we know that and recently in Olympics many people have started giving emphasis for the sports. So as a physical teacher you can work in a government sector, private sector, as a personal instructor also. So there is a good scope for B.Ped students as the teachers. You can also do M.Ped. So this with the M.Ped you can go and work in B.Ped colleges and universities and degree colleges. So the other course is a PhD. After this you can go for the PhD. Now dear students, if we go to the other stream, that is law. So law requires lot of logic, creative thinking, analysis, observation. So you can think, if you want to come to law you can also think about all these things. Now in our country we have law universities more than 10. To get the admission to these law universities you have to appear CLAT, Common Law Admission Tests. Through this every year we will have this entrance test. Through this you can get into the law universities. Now in our state we have the famous law university, that is Nalsar University. So really it is a national-wide popular university. So now you can also go for diploma courses in law. So you know that the familiar course after the UG in the law, this is LLB. Then after LLB, the duration of the LLB is 3 years. The rest of the PG courses are 2 years, but LLB is 3 years. Now after the LLB you can go to LLM. After the LLM, if you are interested you can also do PhD in law. Now we go to the next one, that is Master of Business Administration. So many of you interested to establish and turn as entrepreneurs. So this is a good area where you can be a boss and the businessman, right? Business tycoon. So this is the way you can transform your life. So dear students, look at what are the options we have with the business administration: MCA, MBA, Master of Business Administration, right? PGDM by AICTE. So this is a professional and diploma course, very important one. So after all this, again you have to go for a PhD only. So these are the some of the important courses those who want to do under the administration. Now look at the other courses. So under the other courses, very interesting courses we are going to look at. Now the first one is MLIC. So actually before coming to the MLIC, you have to study BLIC, Bachelor of Library Sciences. So after that you have to study MLIC. So in 21st century again people are turning back to books and libraries. So libraries are very essential, important in our society. So with the MLIC you can be a good librarian in school or college or some other institution. Now MSW, we all know the importance of Master of Social Work So there are many agencies, many government organizations. They are looking for the people who want to, who have this passion to serve the people, who have the desire to turn as a social worker. So it's a good course. You can also go for this, because the other courses means any degree student can apply for these other courses. Now MCJ, so Master of Communication and Journalism. You know that journalism has a lot of potentiality, power, and that gives you a kind of authority so in the society. So you can help the society, you can build the society with the journalism. So next, civil services. This is one of the important area after your graduation. So do you want to serve the people, and if you want to settle in Indian administrative services, so you have to appear in civil services like IAS, IPS, IRS, IFS. So all these services requires civil services entrance exam. So there are many available institutes which providing free coaching to the students. Jamia Islamia University is providing free coaching for minorities, SCs, STs and women. So you can also make use of it. Still, recently it has given the notification for the civil services entrance by Jamia Islamia University. Students, you can also go with the integrated courses. After degree, you can do your PG as well as MPhil or PhD. Some of the central universities are offering integrated courses like University of Hyderabad, Pondicherry University, so Kashmir University, and many other central universities. They are offering integrated courses. So integrated courses will give you a kind of a success. So because you need not to appear for again and again for entrance exams. So if you get the seat in integrated courses, that will give you dual degree. Now dear, hotel management is another area. So we all know that the importance to the hotel management, even event management also other area, fashion designing, animation. So these are all the areas you can check yourself. You can also get settled into these areas. So under the other courses, there are so many things. Even fashion designing has given a lot of priority in the 21st century. So students, what is your interested subject? Where do you want to settle, and how you want to build your career? So you have to choose the right thing. Now so finally, this video will provide you some of the information, and upcoming videos are going to provide you in detailed information subject wise or the stream wise. So for this you can subscribe for more information. And so Usman University has given notification for the CP Gate. Through CP Gate only you can get into the PG courses. So unless you appear for the PG courses, you cannot get so any post graduation degree. So CP Gate for the post graduation. If you want to appear for the degree, you have to apply for the B.Ed entrance exam, or EFL University also given applications. So if you want to settle in civil services, Jamia Islamia University is providing you free coaching. Not only Jamia Islamia University, even some Hyderabad, some institutions are there. So they give you free coaching and accommodation. So even some of the study circles like BC study circle, SC study circle, ST study circle, they are also providing good opportunities and facilities to the students from the underprivileged sector. So dear students, get ready and make yourself bright. All the best for your life.